Here we have a set of Aristo technical drawing pens. The set contains a 0.18, a 0.25 and a 0.5 drafting pen, as well as a bottle of ink for them. To use the pens, firstly we are going to need to fill them. To do so, firstly we need to remove the lid. Then unscrew the handle from the back. And this allows us access to the ink reservoir. With these pens, you do not need to remove the reservoir. What we have here is a little hole, and importantly, on the reservoir, a maximum fill mark. So now we will fill the reservoir with ink. Holding the pen vertically, place the nozzle of the bottle into the hole on the pen. Giving a gentle squeeze until the ink flows into the reservoir and reaches the maximum fill mark. The next important thing to do is to close the filling hole. To do this, simply rotate the reservoir through 180 degrees. We then reassemble the pen by screwing the handle back on and replacing the cap with a click to make sure that it is closed. Now to start the ink flowing, we hold the pen horizontally and shake a few times side to side. Avoid shaking the pen vertically, as this can damage the plunger inside. Now we test to make sure the ink has reached the tip of the pen. You can do this on the inside tray of the box. If the ink is not flowing, simply replace the cap, give a few more gentle shakes and test again. With care, your pens will last you many years.